Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 2, 2026 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong January 2, 2026 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, January 2, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later' for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 2, 2026 Friday. Here are the Tunes jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, January 2, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for January 2, 2026 Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.